Welcome to Integrity Car Sales and Rentals Wheelchair Vehicle Specialist with our head office in Sydney, Australia. This is a 2015 Nissan NV 200. It is built in factory to be used as a wheelchair accessible vehicle, so the suspension is specifically built to carry a wheelchair and occupant inside, and the ramp fitment is an exact fit for this vehicle. It has white exterior with black trim. The interior has patterned beige cloth seats that match nicely with black floor carpets, black beige and grey dash. Integrity can install a touchscreen stereo system with GPS and Bluetooth, which can pair to your smartphone if required. Seats 2 in the front, 2 in the middle, and 1 next to the wheelchair. There's orange grab rails for safely getting into or out of the vehicle, and these can be removed if not required. The middle seats are fixed to the floor with 4 bolts, which also can be removed to give more room for the wheelchair, so the interior space is functional and adaptable to individual needs. The wheelchair position has lap and shoulder belts. The rear has a lightweight aluminium ramp which extends and slides out. All Integrity vehicles are engineered and complied to Australian standards, and all receive a Vehicle Safety Compliance Certification Scheme certificate. We can customise the interior to fit your particular wheelchair by changing the positioning of the oval floor pockets if needed. We welcome you to bring your OT with you when viewing our cars so you can ensure correct placement of the floor pockets for yourself and your particular wheelchair. In this video, we are using the original front belts to showcase how they work, and in the rear, we're using the oval L floor pockets with Q-strength retractors, which you've just seen. You have 3 different types of restraint that you can use depending on your preference and the size of your wheelchair. Designed to be a commercial and passenger van, the NV 200 won International Van of the Year in 2010, and it's easy to see why. It has a square shape which makes the interior roomy and spacious. It's 1.6 litre 4-cylinder automatic petrol and features central locking, power windows and mirrors, tinted windows, aircon reverse camera, and a passenger side auto step which can be switched on or off. For more information on this vehicle or to view our other wheelchair accessible vehicles and rentals, please go to www.icsar.com.au or call 1300 WELCAT.